The Preta that we have chosen for you to summon is High Priest Lavalian Gatisaman. As many Hindu Aaiyanists know, this individual was one of the high priests who was instrumental during the Aaiyyani massacre to create the blood sacrifice to enable enough energy to link the ancient incarnation of Murugan with the universal Brahman, or Om. Gatisaman was a particularly celebrated ancient tantric Aaiyanist. He was supposedly said to have formulated the Aaiyyani's Dravidian symbolic scripts and rituals in order to break the links between many different lokas and talas. He took the work and teachings of Murugan before him and honed the science of Dravidian symbolic magic. He was a great teacher and researcher in the Aaiyyani tantric school, and there are still some hidden tantric temples dedicated to him today. Other schools of Hindu Aaiyanist thought deem Gatisaman to be an evil individual who helped kill hundreds of thousands in a blood sacrifice. However, other Aaiyanist schools, notably the tantric or left-hand ones, deem Gatisaman to be a great scholar and statesman. In Aayyanism we cannot condemn nor condone the actions of others. We must simply love all as one. All Aayyanists agree that after his death he was sent, or went voluntarily, to the Preta Tala dimension. Before Gatisaman died, he formulated the method on how he should be invoked after his death. This was actually an ancient Aaiyanist ceremony, predating Gatisaman, that Lavalian himself redesigned for his followers to perform, should the need arise. Lavalian himself wrote down the inscription that you will use in the next section, and the ritual mantras that you need to chant to invoke him. To explain the Dravidian Aaiyanist symbolic magic would take several volumes. Suffice it to say, it is a sacred language given to us from Murugan via Shiva that has the ability to unlock portals between our realm and the gods. Lavalian's inscriptions directly link this realm to the Preta Tala. If you link with Lavalian from this dimension, you can direct him to help you in various ways, such as directing negative energy against your enemies. However, Lavalian will eventually ask a favor from you, and that favor will be determined by your past interactions with him. Yes, the fact that you are reading this now means that you have already contacted or linked with Lavalian in a previous incarnation. In fact, you have probably interacted with all the entities in this course in your previous lives, and you will know this when you contact them all and begin to remember.